Hello friends, today I will give the demonstration how to prepare a sanitizer. Now the first question is, what is meant by sanitizer? So sanitizer is nothing but a mixture of some ingredients which are effective against bacteria and viruses. So every house should have this product. So to make it as a household products, how to prepare it, that demonstration today I will give to you. So for this we will require some ingredients. Those ingredients are first ethyl alcohol. Then if ethyl alcohol is not available, then you can use isopropyl alcohol. Then simultaneously you will also require glycerol and another ingredient that is called as a aloe vera gel. And to make it fragrant or to give the fragrance to the sanitizer, you should have some essential oil. So I have with me this eucalyptus oil. Now, how to prepare this sanitizer? So the major ingredient in the sanitizer is ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. So I have taken 200 ml of this ethyl alcohol. So in some preparations, according to WHO, World Health Organization, okay, they have given the composition in which in some sanitizers they have added water, but we are not going to add the water in this. We will have another composition of this sanitizer. Instead of water, we will add H2 glycerol also. Okay, so take a 200 ml of ethyl alcohol is highly effective, and it should have the concentration about 65 to 95%. So I am using 95% ethyl alcohol. So I have taken 200 ml of 95% ethyl alcohol. I am going to add the aloe vera gel. So I will add 10 to 15 ml of aloe vera gel in this preparation. So I am taking 15 to 20 ml. Now add this in the 200 ml of isopropyl alcohol. Then mix it properly. So after mixing this, now what is the use of aloe vera gel? You can directly use ethyl alcohol and water as a sanitizer, but it is little bit hard, ethyl alcohol. So to make it soft and to give the soapy appearance and soapy effect, we have to add aloe vera gel. Simultaneously, 5 to 10 ml of glycerol you can add. I have taken a 15 ml of glycerol in this. I am adding this into the ethyl alcohol and aloe vera mixture. Okay. Now mix it properly. Now you can see the change in the color. It has become little bit thick, little bit turbid. After that, whatever the essential oil you have at your home, generally in every home, the eucalyptus oil, we call it as a Nilgiri oil, it is available. So you can add few drops of this essential oil in the mixture. So I am adding this few drops of the essential oil, eucalyptus oil. What is the effect of this? Now addition of this eucalyptus oil will give the fragrance to your sanitizer. Okay. Now this is how to prepare the sanitizer. Now the next thing is, we have with us the sanitizer, but how effectively we can apply this for sanitization purpose. So I am taking a little bit amount of this sanitizer on my palms of my hand, and I am rubbing both palms on each other. Okay, I am trying to cover every surface, every part of the fingers and palms, so that whatever the bacteria, whatever the viruses, those are present at your palm, on your palm surface or finger surface, those will be sanitized or they will get killed or removed. Now this is the simplest way to sanitize your hands and palms by using a homemade sanitizer.